Action. Elf.
Cue music.
Really, no judgment or...
Porn stars and porn stars makes them different to normal people.
Okay, thank you, James. Okay. We're with Yasmin. I've got a list now, apparently. Okay. Porn stars.
Yeah, I do. I think it's what's the word I'm looking for?
Stereotypical.
Yes, that's the word I'm looking for. I think it makes women look like sluts and cheap and tramps. I don't like it.
Okay, so if I became a porn star, you wouldn't like me, basically.
Well, you're fucking other guys each and every day, so my respect for you would kind of go downhill. But I still like you as a person.
Okay, thank you, Kate Ainsley. Once a week. Is that it? Maybe 2 times a week, maybe 3 times. Okay.
Every day.
He's just like the most awkward one. Just like...
1, 2,
Ready? You guys recording? Ask me a question.
Sexy.
I actually feel a little bit sad, I'm not gonna lie.
Katie, you're in it.
Everything. Everything.
I've got to see this documentary.
Okay, thank you.